Today our recipe is a chocolate banana bread. For this, first we need to combine flour, cocoa powder, baking soda and baking powder. Then in a small bowl, mash bananas well and keep it aside. In a large bowl, beat butter and sugar until creamy. Add eggs one by one into this buttercream. Then add vanilla and salt. After that, add mashed bananas and mix thoroughly. Our next step is to gradually add flour. Once all are well combined, add chocolate chips. Now transfer the batter into a loaf pan and sprinkle with more chocolate chips. Then bake this around 1 hour at 180 degrees Celsius in a preheated oven. Once baked, let this bread cool down completely and then cut into pieces. Hit like and comment if you like this chocolate banana bread. Subscribe my channel and ring the bell. For more details, visit my dailylife.lk site.